Hello everyone, so now let's see how we can use the packet tracer. In this one we are going to learn some basic stuff. If you see, this is a packet tracer, CISCO Packet Tracer. If you are working in the organization, maybe you are playing with the real devices, but if the guys who are fresher, who just now completed the engineering or degree and they are planning to jump in the IT field, they can use the CISCO Packet Tracer. CISCO Packet Tracer is a good tool to learn the networking. For the basic stuff we can use this one. For the advanced we can go for the EVNG and GNS3 and also other stuff. But if you are starting as a network engineer basic, that you are fresher and you want to go in the network field, then CISCO Packet Tracer is a good software. Okay, later we will show you from where you can download. But now see here, I can give you the link so you can use the file which we have already. Later you can follow us in the Instagram and message us. We will give you the link and you can download and you can install. Okay, so if you see, I am using this version. This is a CISCO Packet Tracer, and if you see version 8.2.0.0.161, I am using this one. Okay, this version, the latest version, whatever available currently. If you see 10.10.2020, currently this version is available. So when you download here, when you open, you will have the option here. This is a logical or physical. This is a logical topology and this is the physical topology. If you click here, you can see here the physical view. Example, this is home city and the office, and here inside you can see the rack, and inside the rack whatever is the stuff is present. But now still we don't have any stuff, so it will not show you. Let me take one router. I will take one router, then I will go to physical, and if you see, this is our rack. In that rack we have the router. This is our router. Okay, this is our router, that is the physical router present in our rack. So it look like you are working in the real environment. You can see, example, if you want to install one more router, you can place like this. If you want to install one more switch, you can keep here, and if you want to connect, you can take the cable which you want to take and you can connect which port to which port like this. Okay, and also if you want to connect one more, maybe from here to here, you can connect this way and you can play with this one. And if you want to look the logical view, you can click here. This is a logical view, and you can see here this is a console cable we use. And if you want to use the different cable, how we can use, we can click this. With this one we can delete. If you don't need anything, you can delete, and then you can go here and you can select automatic cable and you can click here. So this way we can connect also. So if you see here, we taken the router, we can take some switch like this. We can go and we can take the switch, one switch here, one switch here. If you want to take the computer, you can go here. Okay, this is a end devices. You can find the laptop. Okay, you can find the desktop, you can find the server, printer, IP phone. You have the smart devices like tablet, smartphone, many stuff here. And also if you want to go for the this Wi-Fi wireless device, you can find the home router, you can find the access point, you can find the WLC controller. All the wireless devices is also available here. And if you want to get the, what we can say, the firewall also, you can get here. If you see, this is a ASA firewall, you can get the ASA firewall also. So you have many devices available here. Easily you can play with this one. If you are a fresher, you don't know anything about the network or networking, you can easily use this software and start the CCNA. CCNA is going to help you a lot. CCNA. Now we have the new syllabus CCNA 200-301. This is a new syllabus. Already they changed, more than 1 year finished, I think. So you can study this one. In this one you will have the basic foundation. You will have the basic foundation, how to use the device, how we can configure the router, how we can configure the switch, how we can configure the firewall, how we can configure the controller. Everything will be available in that one. In that course we are going to use the packet tracer and also GNS3, EVNG. We will use everything. Okay, so if you want to join the live batch, you can join live batch. If you want to take the video course, you can take the video course or if you want to watch free, you can watch the free also. Your wish, which one you prefer, depending upon your budget. If you need free, we have free content. If you need paid premium content, we have that one also. Follow us on the Instagram. I am giving the Instagram link, and message us. We will give you all the sources, which one you want, you can take. Okay, this one only for the fresher. If you are a fresher, you want to jump in the network field, or if you are experienced guy, you want to brush up your knowledge, whatever you learn long before, now you need to brush up, you can take our course. Okay, video training course you can take, and you can study easily. If you have any question, you can WhatsApp us, you can write the message in the Instagram or in our app. I will give you the link. You can follow our Instagram and you can communicate with us. So this is a packet tracer. In this software we are using many devices, and let me show you example. If you want to configure this router, how we can configure? We can take the computer from here, or let me take the laptop from here. I will take the console cable. I will connect this console cable from here to RS232 to this console port. After that, in the computer I will go here, then I will go to desktop, then I will go to terminal. I will press OK. You can access the router. This is our router. Okay, this is our router. If you see here, this is the router. You need to write no here. After that, press, and you can start configuration of the router. So we are going to learn how we can configure the router, how we can run the routing protocol. Example, if your manager asks you, can you check from how much time this router is power on, how you can check, we will show you that also. Example, your manager told you, can you check this router is running from how much, like how many days or how many years, how much time, you can easily check. How we will check? We will write show var, and after that you can press enter. Let me make this big. Okay, after that you press enter here, you will get that detail also. Let me check here. This is the, in this one, let me move here, show version. In this one we have the version. After that, let me show you. Here they are not mentioning, or yeah, but in the real router you will have that option. So that feature, if you want to check, what we can do, we can use the GNS3 or EVNG. Let me show you GNS3 also. Okay, I use both the software in our course, GNS3, EVNG, and also the what we can say packet tracer, because some commands are not working in the packet tracer, so we will use the GNS3. So this is also one of the software, GNS3. In that one, what we are going to configure, same thing whatever we are doing, we are going to configure the OSPF, EAGRP, we are going to use the routers, switches, we will learn many things in this one. Okay, example here, let me show you. Let me power on this router and show you the, I will power on this, then I will take the console of this router and I will show you from what time this router is up. How we can check, I will show you that. Okay, because when we write show version, we will get the detail about that one, but that is not showing here. I think here it is not showing. If I write show version, it will show you maybe 10 minutes. Yeah, here, yeah. If you see here, sorry, I did not saw this one. It is available in the packet tracer also. It is available in the packet tracer also. If you see, the uptime is 15 minutes 33 seconds. In the real scenario, in the real router, we will get this like this, same like this. Because I am thinking in the packet tracer it is not available, but it is available because the version they changed the new version. Old version we have, in the new version we have some more advanced feature. So if you see here, we have the uptime is 14 minutes and 33 seconds. Let me show you here also in the GNS3. If I write show version, you can see here also. Let me make this big. We can check here. If you see, uptime is 1 minute. So from 1 minute it is up. But in real scenario, you will see that 3 years, 42 days like this, it will show you 3 years, 4 years like that. Because in the real scenario, routers are running continuously. In some router you will see 1 year, some router you will see 3 years, 5 years like that. But for this lab, we are getting here 14 minutes or 1 minute or 2 minutes like this. Let me write again and check again. I will show you. Let me write here. If you see here, 1 minute. Okay. So this way we can check. If anyone asks you, can you check this router is running from how much time, router or switch, you can write show version, and after that you can check here time, from what time this router is working. So we can do it here in the GNS3 or in the Packet Tracer or in the EVNG. Packet Tracer is good for the beginner. If you want to learn the concept, this is very good. Later you can jump to the EVNG or you can go for the GNS3. We are going to use all these three. We are going to use the GNS3, EVNG and also Packet Tracer. But first you try to use the Packet Tracer. With this one you will learn lot of things, because Packet Tracer is user friendly, easily you can use. If you want to check the switch, you can click here directly and go here in the CLI. This way also you can log in, or if you want to log in with this console cable, you can log in with the console cable also. This way also you can go here, you can go in the terminal and press. So this is the switch. Okay, this is the switch. If you want to check in the switch also, you can write here show version and you can check here from what time the switch is up. Okay, where you will get that information, you need to check here this one. Switch up time is 39 minutes. So from 39 minutes switch is up. So this way you can learn, you can get the MAC address of the switch, you can see the version, what version is available for this switch. So many things you will available. Okay, this is the base Ethernet MAC address, that is MAC address of the switch. You can see lot of thing is available in Packet Tracer also. You can easily enjoy the Packet Tracer. Okay, so what I recommend you can follow us on the Instagram and message us. We will give you the link so you can download the Packet Tracer and then install and follow our. If you want to get the free course, you can follow our free course. If you want to get the premium course, you can take our premium. Depend up to you. Our support will be there. If you are stuck anywhere, you can WhatsApp us, you can message us in the Instagram. We are going to support you. Okay, thank you, see you. Bye.